Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. The issue revolves around the ownership of a parameter set within the context of behavioral feature and behavior in UML modeling. It seems like there is a discrepancy in the constraints specified for parameter set, particularly in relation to which entities can own it and how input and output parameters are handled in the constraints. Now, onto the solution provided for this problem. The UML 2.4.1 specification indicated that both behavioral feature and behavior should be able to own a parameter set, even though the constraints might not have explicitly spelled out the case for behavior. Furthermore, the informal description of input and output parameters suggests that all inputs and outputs, including in-out and return parameters, should be considered. Therefore, the OCL implementation needs to account for both owners of parameter set and cover all types of parameters comprehensively. In summary, the intent behind the UML specification was to treat parameter set ownership by behavioral feature and behavior equally, with considerations for all types of parameters. The provided solution aims to rectify the oversight in the constraints and ensure a holistic approach to parameter handling in UML modeling. With that, it's time to wrap up. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy modeling!